Hi, I'm Nick Robertson with Security Title, your valued growth partner in real estate. I'm a dedicated title expert and a true practitioner when it comes to the real estate industry. I take pride in my expertise, my services, and I utilize industry-leading tools and strategies at my disposal so I can best serve my clients and referral partners. In the challenging world of real estate, I want my partners to have complete confidence in me, not just as their title rep, but valued as someone on their advisory board as a strategic growth partner supported by an industry-leading title company, Security Title. At Security Title, we excel in delivering peace of mind throughout every phase of your real estate transactions. Our valued clientele encompasses luxury real estate advisors, premier real estate teams, esteemed mortgage lenders, reputable home builders, seasoned investors, and emerging agents alike. Experience first-class title insurance with Security Title's unparalleled service, expertise, and partnership. From title searches, escrow services, marketing support, referral networks, and more, you name it, and my team and I will ensure you have seamless support in your business before, during, and after every single real estate transaction. With multiple offices located throughout Phoenix, we are at the heart of the real estate industry and pride ourselves in serving as an extension of your business. Trust my team and I to provide you with the assurance you need for developing and growing a successful real estate business one transaction at a time. I look forward to the opportunity of connecting with you so that you too can join the countless satisfied clients and partners who have entrusted their real estate business to my team and I here at Security Title. I'm Nick Robertson with Security Title, your valued growth partner in real estate. Contact me today to discuss your business and the many ways we can partner together to achieve your real estate goals.